Hello and welcome to our video about the 10 best healthy smoothie diets for weight loss. Specifically for new moms who want to lose weight after giving birth. These smoothies are packed with nutrients and are low in calories, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. Let's get started. Number 1. Our first smoothie is the Berry Blast. Berries are high in fiber, antioxidants, and low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. This smoothie is made with mixed berries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and ice cubes. The Greek yogurt and almond milk provide a good source of protein and calcium, while the honey adds natural sweetness. Number 2. The next smoothie on our list is the green smoothie. Leafy greens are packed with nutrients and low in calories, making them a great option for weight loss. This smoothie is made with kale, spinach, pineapple, banana, almond milk, and ice cubes. The pineapple and banana add natural sweetness to the greens, making this smoothie both healthy and delicious. Number 3. Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. For a protein-packed smoothie, try the Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats, while bananas are a good source of fiber. This smoothie is made with peanut butter, banana, almond milk, honey, and ice cubes. It's a great option for a post-workout snack or as a meal replacement. Number 4. Chocolate Protein Smoothie. Protein is an essential nutrient for weight loss, as it can help you feel full and satisfied for longer. This smoothie is made with chocolate protein powder, almond milk, almond butter, banana, and ice cubes. Number 5. Mango and Pineapple Smoothie. For a tropical twist, try the Mango and Pineapple Smoothie. Mangoes and pineapples are both high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. This smoothie is made with frozen mango, frozen pineapple, coconut milk, banana, and ice cubes. It's a refreshing and healthy option for a hot summer day. Number 6. Avocado Smoothie. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, which can help you feel full and satisfied. The avocado smoothie is made with avocado, spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and ice cubes. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber make this smoothie a great option for weight loss. Number 7. Carrot and Ginger Smoothie. Carrots are a good source of fiber and antioxidants, while ginger can aid in digestion and reduce inflammation. The carrot and ginger smoothie is made with carrots, ginger, orange juice, Greek yogurt, honey, and ice cubes. This smoothie is a great option for a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon snack. Number 8. Blueberry and Banana Smoothie. The blueberry and banana smoothie is another great option for weight loss. Blueberries are high in antioxidants and low in calories, while bananas are a good source of fiber. This smoothie is made with blueberries, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and ice cubes. It's a delicious and healthy option for a quick breakfast or snack. Number 9. Peach and Mango Smoothie. For a sweet and fruity smoothie, try the Peach and Mango Smoothie. Peaches and mangoes are both low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. This smoothie is made with frozen peaches, frozen mango, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and ice cubes. Number 10. Lastly on our list is the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. Is a 21-day plan that incorporates nutrient-dense smoothies into your daily diet to promote weight loss. The program provides recipes, a shopping list, and a 3-day detox plan to jumpstart weight loss and remove toxins from the body. Benefits include weight loss, improved overall health, and increased energy levels. To learn more about weight loss diets that incorporate healthy smoothies, please click on the link below. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below.